All right, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are actually working out on arms. Today's arms day. As you can see, I haven't been able to hit legs and hit legs without bothering my hip, and I'm trying to wait until the time for me to hit legs, which actually is gonna be tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm actually going to hit legs, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to try to go ahead and do it in the best way with the weight that I can. And the problem is squats. Everything is squats, to be honest. All other stuff I can feel it, but not that much. Like hack squats, leg extensions, stuff like that. I feel it a little bit more on hack squats, but leg extensions or hamstring or anything like that, I don't feel it that much. So it is what it is. But we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna post a story now. From there, I'm gonna start working out. It's 10:20. I'm gonna try to get out of here by 11 something. So I'm gonna try to be a press with a little bit of pressure on the workout, pressure on the workout. So it's gonna be a little bit not fast, but kind of moving on. So we'll see how it goes. See you guys. All right, we're gonna do a drop set. All right, we're gonna do a drop set right here. So let's get it. Okay. All right. Let me see how I see. All right. Let me keep going with the drop set. Arms are feeling crazy already. All right. All right. Let's move on to this one right here. All right. Oh, okay. Ya demandé. Ah, claro, all right, we're gonna do this set, and man, we're gonna move from here. Actually, this drop set is killing me. So we're gonna. Damn, there's a weed smell, really strong here. Holy shit! Get over. There's a weed smell crazy here. God dang. All right, let's get it. Oh no. Fucking weed smell is great. Kill me. Not liking that shit here. First, I might smell it, but that's fine. Let me change the camera to actually a little bit higher so I'm able to. Okay, there you go. That should be enough for me to be able. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's get it here. Feel pretty good here, so we'll see how it feels on this one. I try to go to 10 or 12 reps in this one. See how it goes. All right, that felt pretty. That felt pretty good. But I'm actually gonna do a drop setting here. Well, I guess I'll wait. All right, let's see. Here we shoulder press. All right, we're gonna be done here. Pretty much tired. Pretty much time for me to go shower, take my protein, take my supplements, and go home. So we'll see how it goes. Let me grab the 55. So I'm gonna finish right there. All right, guys. I'll see. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna record now driving, shower, and go home. See you guys.